The Winter Olympics is wrapping up, and drones seem to have stolen the show. Although previous Olympics have used drones, this was the first event that used them a lot to give us a first-person view of basically every sport, and it was pretty awesome. It's a completely different way to experience these sports, so let's break down how they did it. Using drones creates a totally unique view of these sports because when you're watching a skier rip down a mountain or a snowboarder flipping in the air, the drone isn't sitting back like a normal camera. It's right there with them, matching their speed, carving the same turns, basically putting you in the event. And that's something cables, helicopters, and fixed cameras can't really replicate. These Olympic FPV drones are tiny. One setup can weigh just 243 grams and can fly around 80 to 100 miles per hour, but only flies for about 5 minutes at a time. Some of the drones have props that are mounted underneath the frame in an inverted setup, which helps with aerodynamics when carving through turns. They also use heat cases to keep the batteries warm. They run 2 separate video feeds. One sends full HD footage to the broadcast truck with a slight delay. The other gives the pilot a near instant view, just milliseconds of latency, so they can react in real time. Each team isn't just a pilot, it's a pilot, a director, and a technician, working together, swapping batteries every couple runs, and adjusting for weather and light on the fly. There were also strict operating rules. For example, the drones can't overtake the racers, and they actually practiced with athletes to make sure the sound or their presence wouldn't be distracting. And the crazy part is, a lot of these pilots just started doing this for fun.
It all started as a hobby, and now I'm really grateful to do it as a full-time job.
It is so cool to see how some of these pilots just started this as a fun hobby and are now working with the Olympics. Another cool fact is most drone pilots fly DJI drones, or drones that have very good obstacle sensing. Basically, anytime you're about to run into a tree, the drone knows that the tree is there and stops itself. That is not the case with these drones. These pilots are flying these drones completely manually, which makes the shots and the flying even more impressive. Let us know in the comments which sport was the coolest to see from a drone's point of view, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell for more drone videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.